How to invite people to follow your Facebook page. How to do so, first of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into it. Then open your Facebook page. Now hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, go through the setting gear icon which is on the top. Now simply hit on share profile option. There you will see copy link. Hit on that. Now go through the friend page where you want to send them invite request and hit on the three dots. There you will see option of invite friends, and simply you have to copy that link over here, and then you are good to go. So in this very easy step, you can easily invite people to follow your Facebook page. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.